My wife and I started Solutions for Change because we didn't think it was right for babies to be sleeping on the floor of an emergency winter shelter. And for me personally, it really became real when this little girl named Jessica pulled on my sleeve one night at the shelter and said, "Hey mister, do you live here too?" And I got down on one knee and I looked at her and I said, "You know what, sweetheart, I don't live here, but I'm gonna do everything I can to get you out of this winter shelter and get you back into a home." And that was a promise we made to her 12 years ago, and since then, we've led over 1,200 kids, that's 600 families, out of homelessness and back into homes. This project here, called Solutions Farms, it will be the largest commercial aquaponics in San Diego County. We're gonna get people up and suit them up, bring them to the farms. They're gonna work the farms, grow healthy food to feed their own families. So this is a farm-to-table operation using people who were in deep poverty. It is something this whole community is getting so excited about. And now we have an opportunity here to transport hopes and dreams in a Toyota Tundra truck. And we are so excited about this opportunity because we need this truck to get our produce from the farms right to the table here, the restaurants, the farmers markets. We need this Toyota Tundra truck to get our donated produce into the hands of the people in the community that need it, like homebound seniors and other people that need good food. Not only selling the food and generating all that revenue to go back into a solution to solving family homelessness, but just giving the food and getting that out there into the community, how important that is. This Toyota Tundra truck is really important to the success of Solutions Farms. But more importantly, this truck is going to deliver hopes and dreams to a lot of children and families here in the community in which we are serving here to solve family homelessness, one family, one community at a time.
One car for Solutions for Change.